Hello everybody and welcome back. Happy Lunar New Year. Today we're making these adorable tiger hot chocolate bombs. They are filled with homemade hot chocolate mix, which is so easy to make, and look at them. It looks like they're in a little jacuzzi. So let's get started. So first we're going to take some candy melts. These are orange candy melts because our tigers are orange. And we're going to melt the candy melts and then pour it into a hot chocolate bomb mold. So these are basically half sphere molds. They are found on Amazon and I will link them in the description box for you. And if you know me, you know that I actually really dislike candy melts because they don't taste as good as chocolate. But the reason I'm using them here is because candy melts melt at a higher temperature than regular chocolate does. So if you have warm hands like me, candy melts are so much easier to work with. Oh my goodness. Or you can just use white chocolate and use oil-based food coloring. It must be oil-based because if it's water-based, the chocolate will seize and just, no. You deserve to have a fun evening making these, and if you use regular food coloring with chocolate, you will not have a fun evening. Anyways, once your desired chocolate medium has melted, we're gonna spread it onto the insides of the mold and bring it all the way up to the edges and then kind of wipe the sides of the mold so that you're creating a bit of an edge. This is gonna help stick two of them together later down the line. And then we're gonna pop these into the fridge for about 15 minutes to set. And then we're just going to unmold them and we are going to fill them with our homemade hot chocolate mix. So because, you know, like these are just gonna be like mixed together in the bowl, in the mug, like you don't have to mix this up separately. So into each bomb, we are going to add equal parts of cocoa, like cocoa powder, granulated sugar, and mini marshmallows. I mean, like this is optional, but like why would you not? And then I'm adding some tiger colored sprinkles just to like pack more in because it's fun that way. And then for the second half sphere for our bomb, I'm actually taking a tip from one of you guys, and you suggested using a warm plate, and I'm like, that is so much smarter than me trying to melt more chocolate and then like put it on the rim, and like it's not gonna look as nice, it's gonna be messy, but like it's stressful, so it's fine. So what we're gonna do is, I feel like a professional like baker now. We're gonna boil some water, pour it into a bowl, and then stick a plate on top of that bowl and wait until the plate warms up. It'll take like a minute, it's not long. And then you want to stick the top thing that you're going to put on your hot chocolate bomb, stick it on there just for a couple seconds, and you'll see that the edges start to melt slightly, and then pick that up and stick it on top, and there you go. It's so easy. It's not so secure that like if like you whip it across the room, it won't break in half. I mean, like the whole thing's gonna break if you do that. Don't do that. But I mean, like it's good enough. It's good enough. And if your celebrations involve alcohol versus hot chocolate, I mean, I totally get you. You could actually try out my champagne bomb video, but do them in like orange and give them little ears so you could make fluffy tigers. As I'm saying this, why didn't I just do that video? Go check that video out after this one and try it out, please. I need to see them like turn into a reality. That would be so cute. So now I'm gonna take some more of those orange sprinkles. These are from Wilton, and I cut off the base and used them as ears and used some more candy melts to stick them on. Cause like at this point I was like, oh no. Like I pictured them in my mind. And I'm like, oh my God, these are gonna look so cute. And then I realized like, how am I making the ears? And then I got some chocolate chips, just melted them and did the face. This one is super ugly, so we're gonna cut to the next tiger, and it happens. Like they're not all gonna be cute. And then I used some white food coloring, but fun fact about me, is this fun? I don't know. I hate melting chocolate in the microwave. I just like, I don't know, it's just like one of those things that I hate to do. And that was quicker. So that's why I chose to do that. My credibility is just like tanking. And then the most important part, we are going to add some milk. So I like to froth my milk because we're fancy. And there we go. How cute are these? And I will see you guys next Friday for a new video. And it's another New Year one. It's so cute. You're gonna love it.